On January 30, 2025, the Hellhound S3, a cutting-edge, turbojet-powered kamikaze drone developed by Cummings Aerospace, completed its maiden flight at Fort Moore, Georgia. This marks a significant milestone in the Army's Expeditionary Warrior Experiment, AEWE, 2025, where the drone successfully demonstrated its GPS-guided capabilities using a dummy warhead, proving its airframe and core systems meet Technology Readiness Level 7, TRL-7, confirming its operational readiness. Designed primarily for the U.S. Army's Infantry Brigade Combat Teams, IBCTs, the Hellhound S3 is a man-portable unmanned aerial system, UAS, capable of executing precision strikes over long distances. With a turbojet engine that propels it to speeds of up to 384 miles per hour, 618 kilometers per hour, the drone weighs under 25 pounds in its complete configuration, including its launch canister and control unit. This lightweight design allows for easy transport and rapid deployment by a single operator, enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. What sets the Hellhound S3 apart is its modular design. The drone's payload bays can be swiftly reconfigured to support various mission needs, including carrying explosive warheads, electronic warfare equipment, or intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, modules. Notably, this reconfiguration process can be completed in under 5 minutes without requiring specialized tools, enabling rapid adjustments in dynamic combat environments. The drone is constructed using advanced 3D printing techniques and off-the-shelf commercial components approved by the U.S. Department of Defense. This cost-effective design strategy ensures easier logistics and scalability for future upgrades. Following the successful initial flight, Cummings Aerospace plans further testing to refine the system and achieve full TRL-7 across all components, eventually submitting the Hellhound S3 for consideration in the U.S. Army's Low-Altitude Stalking and Strike Ordnance (LASSO) program. In addition to its conventional design, the Hellhound S3 is poised for future evolution through a collaboration between Cummings Aerospace and ATRX, a propulsion technology firm. This partnership aims to develop a hypersonic variant of the drone, leveraging ATRX's cutting-edge air turbo rocket propulsion system. The new drone will be designed for high-speed, high-thrust missions, offering capabilities beyond those of the original Hellhound. With speeds potentially surpassing Mach 5, this hypersonic model would be ideal for rapid, long-range strikes against high-priority targets like missile launchers and advanced air defense systems, particularly in contested environments. The hypersonic variant of the Hellhound will maintain the modular and cost-effective design of its predecessor, with the added benefit of greater speed and agility. Its potential for deployment across air, sea, or subsurface platforms offers unparalleled flexibility. ATRX also aims to use this technology for its Hummingbird spaceplane, which could revolutionize commercial satellite deployment. These developments promise to significantly enhance the capabilities of U.S. and allied military forces, offering a new edge in modern warfare.